As said in the previous video, before any planning, it is very important to sit down and think about the situation with clear head. And that is exactly what we are going to do in this exercise. Because the key to consistency is to figure out what fits me first, and then think about other things, such as how can I structure my day to be able to deliver my peak performance. Sounds too complicated? Don't worry, there is a very simple yet effective method. Take a sheet of paper, or in this case a form, and open your trading journal or your account metrics. Looking at it, find the days that were the good ones. When you have them, think about the similarities those days have. Is there anything specific about your approach? Is there anything specific you've been doing? Maybe it was that you were well rested, or you felt relaxed. Maybe you were well prepared, or maybe you did some extra mental prep. For example, you have said to yourself that your only objective for that day is to follow your plan to the T without thinking about the outcome. Did you trade on your computer or on your phone? What about your working environment? As you see, there are a lot of things that have an impact on your performance. Always when you find something that works for you, that helps you, grab a green pen and write it down on the left side of your sheet. Or, in our case, put it in form below. Now you can pause the video and finish the task. Same as we do have good days and good patterns in our thinking and behavior, we also have bad days. Maybe while seeking those positives, you have already realized that from time to time, you do something that is not working for you. Write those things down on the right side of that sheet, or in our case, in the right section of the form. Think about what those days have in common. Maybe they start with something similar. Is it insufficient preparation? Is it a bad mood? Is it a desire to make lots of money very fast or prove anything to anyone? Usually these red points are the opposite to your green points. That is completely fine. Write them down anyways. Now pause the video again and finish the list. Done? Great! Now you should have filled both spaces with things that work for you and things that are not working. It can serve you as a visual guidance for what to do and what to avoid. When using this, it is important to work with this list on a daily basis because you are getting better by doing the right things and avoiding everything else. And again, this form will be a part of the document you will get after you finish the whole course. So don't rush with your answers and take your time while answering it.